Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Gmail experience and stop those automatic smart reply suggestions from popping up, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to turn off smart reply in the Gmail app, so you can write your emails your way. No more suggested replies getting in the way. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to make this change. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, located in the top left corner of your screen. Give that a tap to open up the main menu. Now, scroll down through the menu until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to move to the next step. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to your Gmail app. Tap on the specific email account where you want to turn off Smart Reply. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Smart Reply. This is where Gmail controls those automatic response suggestions. To disable Smart Reply, simply uncheck the box next to it. That's all it takes. No more suggested replies will appear at the bottom of your emails. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Smart Reply in your Gmail app. From now on, you'll have a cleaner inbox and the freedom to craft every response yourself. If you ever change your mind and want those suggestions back, just follow these steps again and check the box to re-enable Smart Reply. Thanks for watching.